Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to video 28. This is IFRS 7 Financial Instruments Disclosure, where we have three separate standards dealing with financial instruments. IS 32 Financial Instruments presentation that I've completed. Now this one is for disclosure only, and the main standard that is for recognition, measurement, derecognition is the IFRS 9, which will be upcoming. Now, so under IFRS 7, it requires you to disclose two main categories relating to financial instruments. First, information about the significance of financial instrument. Second, information about the nature and the extent of risk arising from financial instruments. Now let me tell you, one might be wondering why there are so many different standards just for financial instruments. But for other standards we do not have, we all have in one standard. The reason is because a lot of fraud that have taken place in the past is due to financial instrument, because this is a very complex area. Users do not understand often how to deal with it, and the risk is also high in this area. Therefore, in order to minimize the risk, the impact on the equity entity, they have brought up separate standards for this financial instrument alone. That's why there are separate, one for presentation, one for disclosure separately, and the other one is for measurement, recognition, and all those things. Okay, so that's why you have to separately disclose under IFRS 7 the financial instruments risk. Okay. Next, qualitative disclosure, risk exposure for each type of financial instrument, management's objective policy and process for managing those risks, changes from the prior period. Now, quantitative disclosures are summary quantitative data about exposure to risk at the reporting date, disclosure about credit risk, liquidity risk, market risk. They are not the same. You have to know the meaning of them. Okay, and concentration of the risk. So that's it for IFRS 7. Usually IFRS 7 is not a question that is asked and not from the point of calculation, because that is done in IFRS 9. If they ever ask you, that is only to say what needs to be disclosed. So only there's two things. One, the financial effect, and the nature and the extent of the risk. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next standard, which is IFRS 8 operating segment, applicable only for SBR students, not there in the FR syllabus. Thank you.